Why become a real estate investor to get rich? This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. I love real estate because it is a beautiful foundation for creating wealth, for me, for a number of reasons. 1. The entire tax code is written around it. So it provides the best tax benefits that we have in this country. Number 2, like if I'm trying to sell radios, maybe I'll make $10 or $20 a radio. On real estate I can walk into $10, $20, $30, $50,000 of equity the moment I buy it. So, I don't want to have to sell 10,000 radios. I want to sell one property and make all that profit. I also like real estate because I believed that this is something real and tangible and part of the American dream that anyone can do. I believe that with the right philosophy, the right strategy, and the right system that anyone can make an enormous sum of money in real estate. If someone is on the fence about getting into real estate, I'd say you probably need some education. That's why I wrote this book, The Straight Path to Real Estate Wealth. That's a great way to get some education and really decide, hey, is that something I really could find myself doing? You know, you can get really started with real estate at any age, and either a kind of real estate where you're not gonna get rich quick, but if you give it 5 or 10 years, I believe that I can get you where you want to go. In the beginning I found a lot of joy doing the real estate myself. Because it felt amazing to see myself freed from the corporate America, right? It came though to a point where I was building such a massive portfolio that it was just so much time and so much effort. It became like a new job, and that wasn't fun again, and that's why I really put a team in place. I've got a team of 200 experts that now transact all of my real estate. My real joy today comes from helping others plug into the same system. It's neat to see people create that same freedom that I enjoy. The first step someone could take is number 1, get subscribe with this channel, because we're constantly updating it with new videos to keep educating you and teaching you about what it is to enter successfully into their world of real estate. Another step that I'd recommend is, I wrote this book, The Straight Path to Real Estate Wealth. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.